Hello all, this is Madhu. Welcome back to Global Pharma Update channel. Today we have interesting updates on product approvals, product launches, and there is a major guidance updates from all regulatory. Indian regulatory body CDSCO just approved a medicine for breast cancer that is nothing but Datroway. This medicine is made by the Astrazeneca company, and it mainly combines with the targeting ability of an antibody with cancer killing power of chemotherapy. Specifically, it targets a protein called TROP2, which is often found on breast cancer cells. Once it binds, it delivers a cytotoxic payload directly into the tumor, spurging healthy cells as much as possible, and it is indicated for patients with HR positive, HER2 negative metastatic breast cancer. These patients often have limited treatment option, so this approval often opens a new line of scope. India has taken another step towards strengthening its immunization program with the approval of Varicella vaccine, that is nothing but Biopox, and Biopox is developed by Biomed Pharma Limited. It is a live attenuated vaccine designed to prevent the chickenpox. It's a common childhood disease that causes fever, rash, and fluid-filled blisters. It can sometimes lead to serious complications. And by producing this vaccine domestically, India can ensure safer, more affordable, and more widely available production against the chickenpox. And it is available in the freeze-dried format, and it is a single dose vial. With this, we can reduce the chickenpox in children. And it is a big question for you: how important are they are for India's children? And would you prefer a locally made vaccine if it is more affordable? Please comment in the comment box. There is a good news for diabetic and obese patients. Novo Nordisk launched a new medicine, Ozempic. It will manage how we regularly treat diabetes, and this medicine also useful for weight loss. Ozempic is a brand name for semaglutide. It is a GLP-1 receptor agonist. It mimics the natural hormone that helps regulating the blood sugar and appetite. Patients takes it once in a week using a pre-filled pen injector, making it more convenient than the daily pills or injections. Ozempic not only lowers the blood sugar, but it also reduces the cardiovascular risk and supports the sustained weight reduction. In India, it enters the market at a lower price point comparing to its competitor like Mounjaro. This month, we have major pharma regulatory updates from FDA, EMA, and USP. These changes covers the packaging, stability, plastics, biosimilars. These changes sounds technical, but they directly impact on the patient safety, product availability, and industry innovations. In this, first of all, FDA released 3 draft guidance, and EMA released stability updations, and USP released made effective 2 regulations. Let's break down in detail all the updations. All these pharma regulations and new draft guidelines are very important for the pharma industries. This may play a vital role in future. In this, first one is ICH Q3E leachables and extractables. FDA released a new draft guidelines on extractables and leachables. In means chemicals that migrate from packaging into drug product. And till now, requirements were fragmented across regions, leading to duplicated studies. The new draft guidelines gives the harmonized framework process, standardized study designs, solvents, and durations with a risk-based focus tied to dosage form and patient exposure. EMA stability testing update. Previously, companies faced long timelines and one-size-fits-all protocols, even for low-risk changes. The new approach is risk-based with streamlined timelines, clearer bracketing and matricing, and acceptance of the real-time or ongoing data where appropriate. And I have a question for you. This is the faster EU reviews or good for patient or safety? And next, coming to FDA CGMP for medical gases. FDA issued a new draft on current CGMP for medical gases like oxygen and nitrous oxide. Historically, these were handled like commodities with limited contamination controls and weak traceability. The new draft will elevate the gases to pharma grade GMP, requiring validated purification, moisture, and particulate limits, cylinder integrity checks, and robust labeling reconciliations. And would stricter rules for oxygen improve the hospital safety? Please comment below. And we have next update on USP 382 elastomer closures. It introduces a system level closure testing for vials, syringes, and cartridges. Instead of just component test, it requires end-to-end system testing under real world conditions, focusing on seal integrity, coring, fragmentation, and container closure integrity. And would you trust stricter packaging rules for just injectables? India's largest pharmaceutical company, Sun Pharma, announced a major greenfield project in Madhya Pradesh, which is around 3,000 crores. In this facility, they mainly produce the API and finished products, which gives the huge opportunities for the people who are there in Madhya Pradesh, and which reduces the import of products from other countries. Synoris Pharmaceutical Private Limited announced today acquisition of Apnar Pharma for about 91 crores. In this, Apnar Pharma contains 5 ANDAs, and these ANDAs will acquired by the Synoris Pharma. This acquisition gives Synoris a quickly entry into the US generic market. Instead of starting from scratch with the lengthy approvals, they now have a ready portfolio to launch. It accelerates their global expansion strategy and positions them into compete more effectively in one of the world's largest pharmaceutical market, USA. Thanks for watching my video. Please do watch and subscribe, and please comment below which of these product approvals and launches which may give more impact on patient safety.